आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, the question is, if omega is the imaginary cube root of unity, then the number of pair of integers a comma b such that modulus of a omega plus b is equals to 1 is. Yeah, so we need to find the number of ordered pairs such that this modulus of a omega plus b, this is equals to 1. So on squaring both the sides, what we will get is modulus of a omega plus b whole square is equals to 1 square is 1. So I am just squaring both sides. Yeah. Now I can write this as, so we can write this as a omega plus b into a omega bar plus b is equals to 1. Yeah. Which property I have used here? That this modulus of z squared, this can be written as z into z conjugate. Yeah. So, okay. Since these are numbers, a and b are pair of integers, so their conjugate will be these numbers only. So, we'll have a omega plus b into a omega bar plus b is equals to 1. Yeah. Now, just simplify this. So, we'll get a square into omega bar plus we'll have a omega into b plus we'll have ab into omega bar and plus we'll have b square is equals to 1. Yeah. Now again using one property we know that omega into omega bar, this will be equal to 1. Yeah. So here we'll get a square plus, just take AB common, so we'll have omega plus omega bar plus B square is equals to 1. Yeah. So now this omega is a cube root of unity, so we know the properties of cube root of unity, that is omega cube is equals to 1, and another property is 1 plus omega square, this is equals to 0. Yeah. So we know that omega bar, that will be equal to 1 upon omega. Yeah. So omega bar can be written as 1 upon omega. So here we'll get omega plus 1 upon omega using this property, that is omega into omega bar is equals to 1 plus b square is equals to 1. Now just taking LCM here, in the denominator we'll get omega, in the numerator 1 plus omega square plus b square is equals to 1. Now 1 plus omega square will be equal to minus omega. So we'll have minus omega upon omega plus b square is equals to 1. Or from here I can write that a square, this omega and omega will cancel each other, a square minus ab plus b square is equals to 1. Yeah, and I can write this as a minus b whole square plus ab is equals to 1. Let's say this is equation number 1. So now we'll see the conditions when it is possible. So when a minus b whole square is equals to 0 and ab is equals to 1. One condition is this. So how many ordered pairs of a comma b we'll have is that both a and b is equals to 1 or both a and b is equals to minus 1 comma minus 1. Both these are possible. Yeah. Another condition can be possible that when a minus b whole square is equals to 1 and a into b is equals to 0, then the possible ordered pairs will be, so 0 comma 1 or 1 comma 0, or we can have 0 comma minus 1 or minus 1 comma 0. So total how many ordered pairs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So hence there are 6 ordered pairs. 6 ordered pairs. And this is what we need to find out. So The number of pair of integers we are having is 6. Yeah, thanks for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।